In the highest tiers of real estate, wealth eventually stops being the deciding factor. The real constraint becomes absolute availability. Along the highly sought-after coastline of Marbella, global demand has effectively emptied the market of new, move-in-ready estates. Buyers are usually forced to make a difficult choice, convenience of a lock-and-leave lifestyle. This specific residence, the final available property in this collection, was engineered to break that compromise entirely. What you are looking at is a single-level home that commands the massive footprint, absolute privacy, and scale normally reserved for a standalone luxury villa. The architecture pulls the surrounding Mediterranean environment right into the living space, treating the landscape as a seamless extension of the property. Securing a finished, turnkey residence of this caliber requires being in the right place at the exact right moment. This floor plan shows exactly how the 164 square meters of built area are distributed. The layout prioritizes massive open space in the central living zones. That interior living space opens directly onto a sprawling footprint of covered and uncovered exterior terraces. Floor-to-ceiling glass sliding doors physically remove the barrier between the inside and the Mediterranean horizon, allowing natural light to saturate the rooms. Step outside and the scale continues with a lush private garden and immediate access to 2 stunning swimming pools right at your doorstep. Despite the open design, absolute isolation is built into the structure. The tiered architectural angles shield each level from the others, guaranteeing total privacy. These outdoor zones are calibrated for quiet, intimate mornings, just as easily as they accommodate high-end evening entertaining. By merging the massive scale of an estate with the layout of an apartment, the traditional trade-off between indoor comfort and outdoor freedom is eliminated. That uncompromising standard extends directly into the interior execution. The wide, open-plan integration of dining, living, and kitchen spaces matches the highest custom specifications. Every material is strictly premium, down to the acoustically insulated porcelanosa flooring that runs seamlessly across the entire residence. The kitchen serves as a functional centerpiece. Outfitted with high-end Siemens appliances, the island maintains a direct visual connection to the terrace and horizon. But the true refinement here is invisible. A state-of-the-art, free-at-home automation system removes all friction from daily routines. Through a central digital hub, you have instant fingertip control over lighting, climate, and automated window blinds, enabling a true lock-and-leave lifestyle. This technical layout of the top half of the property highlights the private quarters. 3 spacious bedrooms and 2.5 premium bathrooms are intentionally separated from the main living areas to create a quiet sanctuary. The luxury of this residence is defined by how effortlessly it responds to the person living in it. This is the very last available property in this coveted collection, and unlike a plot of land or an off-plan project, this unit is fully finished, completely turnkey, and ready for you to move into today. Elite new builds in this region routinely require a 3 to 5 year waiting period. That timeline makes prolonged deliberation a luxury buyers no longer have. From this commanding vantage point on the coast, the property holds a privileged position over the manicured lawns and the sea. Letting this final unit pass means permanently compromising on your privacy, your location, or the modern convenience of an effortless home. If you are ready to claim this sanctuary, you need to contact our team immediately to arrange a private viewing. This architectural